Thank you for watching this video in advance. It is recommended that you watch this video to the end. Facebook recently launched a tool called Facebook Market. This tool is intended for selling and buying product purposes. But according to analysis and research conducted by TechPano and African Cinema, it was determined that more than 20% users of this tool were misusing this tool for invalid and fraudulent activity. And in this video, you are going to learn and get notified of the tips to prevent being a victim of these scammers. Before we proceed, we would like to make a disclaimer that this video is purposely for education only. We do not accept deriving any strategy from this video for unlawful acts.
So in this video, I am going to tell you 2 ways that we use to identify these scammers and also one way that they use to scam people. That means in this video, we are not going to say or tell all the ways that they use to scam people. Since investigation is still on progress, in a future video, you are going to learn more with details. So it is recommended that you subscribe to this channel and also click the notification bell so that you get notified of future videos. Now, when we see an item listed on Facebook below the average price, an item that worth more than $500 that is listed below $100, we think this is abnormal. And what we do is that we contact the seller and we ask the seller if the item has any fault, and normally they told us that the item is new in box without any problem. So when we get this information, we told them that we want to buy the item, and then usually this is what they do, and they do this for scam reason. They will ask for your location, and when they ask for your location and they detect that, or they knew that the location is far from them, then they will tell you that they will ship or they will deliver the item to you with a VIP, by VIP buys. So they will say they will deliver the item to you by VIP buys, and now they will wait for a moment, and then they may be at a noisy area, and during our research we determined that sometimes they just produce noise at the area with the sound system. They will produce a noise at the area, tell you that they are going to the station. Now when they reach, or by the time they start producing the noise claiming to be at the station, that is when they are going to tell you that the driver want to take the delivery money before delivering the item to you. So they will tell you that sometimes they will tell you that themselves they have something, a few amount, and they need some from you to complete the delivery so that they will use it to